Hello to my fantastic fourth graders. Today I wanted just to take a moment to talk to you about what you're going to work on today and tomorrow for science class. I'm also going to show you some examples to help give you some guidance in what our expectations are. So your job today and tomorrow is going to be to work on creating a colorful illustration of your animal currently, and then your animal once it's been super adapted. And with this illustration, you're going to make sure that you label it. It's going to be colorful, and then you're also going to have your animal habitat included. So what you will do, so I'm going to show you an example. So here's an example that a student drew for me a few years ago, and this is a current drawing of the red panda. And you can see here where this student labeled the parts, because that's how we do scientific drawing. Scientific drawings contain labels. So there's arrows with labeling, and then they've also included the animal in the habitat. That's the first part of your assignment, okay? And you can just do this on any paper, white paper you have around the house. And then on the second part of their assignment, what they have done is they have the new and improved super adapted red panda. And so you can see here where they have labeled again their animal, and they've included the new super adaptations like the ink spray that they have given their animal. And again, their animal is in the habitat, okay? So this is just one example I have from a couple years ago. I'm going to show you another one. So here is an illustration that a student did that maybe didn't have as strong of artistic skills, although this is quite still good, of the hawksbill sea turtle. And so this is the animal, and then they have, it's hard to see, but they have some of the parts labeled through here. It's a little bit harder to notice in this picture, but the parts are labeled. Then on this side, they have their super adapted animal, and it camouflages, which is why it's so hard to see. And then again, they have their parts labeled. So this is what I want you to make sure you understand for your assignment. You're going to have two illustrations. One is your animal currently as it is. You're going to label some of the key body parts or its features. Like if it was a camel, you would obviously want to include its humps and some of those kind of things. Then, and the animal needs to be in their habitat. The second illustration is going to be your new super adapted animal that include the three adaptations that you're writing about for your animal that you think will help your animal avoid extinction and begin to thrive again. And so you're going to draw your animal with those three adaptations on there. You're going to label your illustration, and then you're also going to make sure that your animal is in its habitat and that the pictures are colorful and nice. You have 2 days in science to work on this, so that's a good chunk of time. We don't expect perfection. We're not your art teachers, but we do want to see your very best work. So make sure you take your time and you work on those, and then you're going to submit them. You're going to make a video of yourself explaining your pictures to us, so that you're going to show me your picture. You're going to tell us about the illustrations that you've drawn and the adaptations and the labeling you've done. And so that'll be your submission. You only need one submission for both pictures. So you'll do kind of like I just did, where you will start with your animal currently, and you will point out some of your labels, the habitat, those things. And then you will share with us, and it does not have to be on the back. This is actually one huge sheet of paper folded in half. Then you will show us your new and improved super adapted animal, and making sure to highlight the new adaptations that you have given your animal. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have an amazing day. I can't wait to see what a fabulous artwork you create, and how much fun you have today being creative. Bye, guys. Love you.